is a next one, which is called Stealth VPN. And this pretty much just gives you 5 minutes of connection time. Once you first open the application, we'll ask you for connection request, and just tap on OK, we'll start connecting the VPN in a new time. So that's how you pretty much use it. But this VPN overall is pretty much like these other similar VPNs that I've reviewed. They only give you 5 minutes connection time, and they only give you an option to add only 3 minutes of connection time, which I do not recommend you guys using because that's just crazy. And the servers are not that fast. If you go in the server section here, they only have 3 to 4 servers a max. Or if they do have more servers, it's pretty much the same United States servers. And I can guarantee these are just pretty much United States servers as well. And I really don't recommend you guys using this application here, because 4 minutes or 5 minutes of connection time doesn't make any sense. But that's really pretty much it for this VPN application. And if you have any problems, you can comment below and let me know what are your problems. And yeah, that's really pretty much it. See you in the next one.